Hyundai offers two primary methods for updating your infotainment system: over-the-air updates and USB updates. OTA updates are wireless and convenient, perfect for newer models from 2022 onward that have an active BlueLink subscription. These updates can be initiated through the BlueLink app or directly from the in-car menu, covering system software, bug fixes, and new features. You can start the update directly from your vehicle's infotainment screen when prompted. USB updates are manual and required for older models or areas with poor internet connectivity. You'll need a FAT32 formatted USB drive loaded with software downloaded from Hyundai's website. Both methods ensure your system stays compatible, secure, and up to date with the latest features. Choose OTA for its convenience if your vehicle supports it, and opt for USB when dealing with older models or limited connectivity. Map updates are separate and crucial for accurate navigation. Download them from Hyundai's site or app and apply via OTA or USB. Ensure your smartphone OS is up to date for Android Auto CarPlay. Wireless Android Auto is now standard in 2024 Plus models, with Apple CarPlay supporting wireless mirroring. For OTA updates, go to Setup in your car, then Update, then Software Update, or use the BlueLink app to initiate the process. For USB updates, download the update file for your VIN from Hyundai's site, format a USB drive to FAT32, copy the files, and insert the drive into your car's USB port, following on-screen prompts. Always back up your data before updating to prevent data loss.